Shot the foam out.
Oh, the foam.
What the fuck is that?
All right, everyone. So I got the trophy truck inside. It's pretty cold today, so I'm going to just talk about it inside. So here's the trophy truck right here. The engine's running pretty good, the LRP. I got the thing tuned pretty good for the cold. The little high-speed needle mod I did, swapping out the original one, actually works pretty good. So as you saw, the whole theme of today's video was just trying to smoke those tires. I actually couldn't get down to, bare rubber, which I really wanted to do. But I did destroy them pretty good. Obviously, this tire is the worst of it. The foam is gone in it, so that's fun. The other tire thankfully survived. I mean, the bead did break in some places. As you can see, it still has that sound. I'm not going to try smoking the off-road tires, and these are way too nice. But I did have a lot of fun today. I hope you had a good laugh watching this video. Just a little idea I had. I hope you really enjoyed it. Everything on the truck's going good. Like I said, the carburetor's tuned really good. The transmission was probably screaming for dear life, but it did survive. I actually did try this video before. As you can see right here, my stupid camera focuses. All right, there we go. Now that's all. Oh, spoke too soon. Give it a moment. There we go. Sorry about that. This is the old output shaft for the transmission in the trophy truck. That little shiny spot right there, that's where the one-way bearing sits for the first gear. And as you can see, it's just indented right there and absolutely fried. I gotta take it easy a little bit. I already blew up 2 one-way bearings in it. And obviously the output shaft, the original one's now gone. But I threw the new one in there. It worked good. It survived the video today, thankfully. I'm going to try this again. This is just my first attempt at this. I'm still not proud of my performance. I want these tires bald next time. So stay tuned for more of that. But it is March, so we're getting there. We're getting closer to the warm seasons. And I got to stop neglecting this thing. I should tear this thing down and paint the cage, finish the shocks, and also weld in the battery. Yeah, so stay tuned for that. This thing is run perfect. I'm absolutely loving it. Gotta say, it fires right up. There's actually one point it fired right up with me like barely pulling the pull starter. I've never had that happen before. All right, I'm gonna end it here. Just a short little talk for you guys. I hope you enjoyed those burnouts, even though they weren't burnouts, everyone. I am a little disappointed. But look, I'm uploading it anyway. So go ahead, like and subscribe, boost the channel. It helps me out, as this thing is running great, and this project's almost complete, everyone. And don't forget about the LST. All right, thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe.